Fast track your career with EVIT's associate degree programs in nursing and surgical technology. Your future in healthcare begins here.
My name is Sydney, and I'm excited to pursue my career as a registered nurse. I went back to school for my LPN in 2022 at EVIT, and I graduated in 2023 as a nurse. I've been working as a nurse now for a year and a half, and then I'm going back now for my RN to finish pursuing my career. I think it's outstanding that they have an associate's degree program for nursing, because even though nursing is such a needed career and profession, it's so hard to get into any nursing school. You can ask any nursing student, I'm sure they didn't just come up with one school and get in right away and stay with that school the whole time, because there's so many exams that you have to take to get in and prereqs, and EVIT had their stuff together and they were ready to open it up. They taught me how to critically think as a nurse. They taught me how to trust myself and be confident as a nurse, and they really prepared us well to hit the floor and start working as a nurse right after graduation. Your future, your way.
Your future in healthcare starts here. Your future, your way at EVIT. Visit evit.edu and start your journey today.